She got that good, good. She Michael Jackson bad. I'm attracted to her for her attractive ass. And now we murderers because we kill time. I knock her lights out and she still shine. I hate to see her go, but I love to watch her leave. But I keep her running back and forth. Soccer team, cold as a winter's day, hot as a summer's eve. Young money thieves, steal your love and leave.
Indoor building party?
No, those.
And it seems like everybody, we be so crowded because there's so many people.
I swear.
And everything. And like bonfire, everybody outside. It's a lot of space.
Yeah. And even sometimes still though, that be scaring me because it's just like I can't see everyone and everyone.
Right.
I mean everything at the same time.
Right.
And me, I just be on go. I be cautious, very, very cautious. I be looking out. I don't say that. He's on when they walking funny. I be staring them down like, sir.
Masks and everything.
Girl, and I get it. We had a bonfire and it's cold, but you ain't slick. You know what I'm saying? Like no. It's just I don't know. I just have to be trying to go with my gut feeling.
Right. My gut tell me no.
Then it's just about people. I do like to have fun, but it's just hard if I'm not gonna actually have fun.
She got that good, good. She Michael Jackson bad. I'm attracted to her for her attractive ass. And now we murderers because we kill time. I knock her lights out and she still shine. I hate to see her go, but I love to watch her leave. But I keep her running back and forth. Soccer team, cold as a winter's day, hot as a summer's eve. Young money thieves.
And then I also said I want to start going like on solo dates and stuff like that. Like just doing everything I would normally do with someone else by myself.
Yes, that's what I have to learn. Like sometimes even okay to do stuff alone.
Because if I'm with you and all you're doing is talking about stuff I don't want to hear about, now I'm not enjoying myself.
Because why are you talking about this man that you said you left alone 30 years ago?
Please, look, let's not go there. And even if I do go, like if I ask someone to go with me, I'm only actually one time. And sometimes enjoying a peace and quiet. Like sometimes I talk a lot, but like lately I just been enjoying peace and quiet.
That's how I am. Like I talk a lot. I did say for next year, like I wanted to make a vision board.
Never made one?
I have, but I was just
every single year I've made a vision board. I made one with someone. This year I said I'm gonna do it for myself to show what I've learned. So I want my own energy. I want my own presence. Like I'm gonna yeah, show up when you feel like it. Respond when you feel like it. They wanna do stuff on their own. Do stuff on their own. If it's really that important, you know where I'm at, or you'll hit me up, and you'll see who's really your friend if they hit you up or not.
But at the end of the day, we still know that we have that great friend.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah.
Y'all know this stuff. That's a real friend.
Really got to today.
That's a real friend. This summer really showed me a lot. This summer showed me a lot about myself, about my friends, about how people are. And I done took it all in. You should not be the same person I met at this big age by now.
Falling out. Like you know how some people do they fall out, they go back before 30 years.
I draw a line right there.
Yes, me and my friends have a problem with talking to we never go to the internet about it. Never at each other, you know, feel like it's wrong.
That's a rule for me.
Like, no. If it's something between us and the people between us.
Our business make it to the internet. You ain't got to work. I don't care how long I know you. It ain't no going back from that. Because you showing me what I need to know.
Like, I probably just like a kitchen secret.
Look,
like,
get me started.
They'll make a post and it's direct Instagram and added it, like stuff like that. But
Talking about always in general. No,
yeah, you know exactly what
no, it's not. In the fact that we both throwing shade, like if y'all both throwing shade, people see that, and it's like, okay, what do y'all get back friends and y'all say? Come on now. Nothing. If I ain't got nothing to do with it, don't try to drag me into it. Yes, and you gotta learn from it, or you're gonna be stuck in the same predicament.
I'm attracted to her for her attractive ass. And now we murderers because we kill.
I'm so unproblematic, and I think that's the problem. Like, the fact that I don't care, or I'm not too fond of all that yada yada.
I feel like people want to bring it into it. Like, no, I go to the
I don't go on social media argue with females. I don't argue with people in person. You think I'm gonna do that for you because I'm your friend? No, I'm going to have your back, but in a different way. The way I do it. People want you to react the way they react, and that's not me. I'm not an argumentative person, so I'm not gonna have your back by arguing with someone. See, I don't need no friend that's gonna have me fight for no reason. I'm gonna fight for you, but let it be for a good reason. That's how you're gonna have to deal with it. If you don't like it, I don't know what to say.
No Stevie Wonder, she don't even wonder, cause she knows she bad. And I got a nigga, grocery bag.